Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor Magic V5 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So, first of all, Enroll settings. Then find and select biometrics and password and choose Fingerprint ID. If you don't have your PIN code, pattern, whatever you use to unlock your device, once you don't have it yet, you will have to create it. It will be kind of backup to your fingerprint. Let's enter. And mark device unlock. Now just place your fingerprint on the sensor. It's located on your power button. Just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on OK once it's enrolled, and now as you can see, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously you can also use this set PIN code or fingerprint or pattern, whatever you use. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.